a business consultancy firm that has been in the region for past 10 years now. What do they have to offer you? Right from the trade licensing to visa processing, PRO services to green lighting approvals for the interior fit outs, and finally handing over the keys to you, a new business owner. Albab has got you covered. Dubai is considered to be the business hub of UAE. It is a land of promises. People come to Dubai to fulfill their dreams. The COVID-19 pandemic has proved a difficult period for business owners, but at the same time has provided the opportunity for new businesses to take their shot in the market. Here at Albab, we support your dreams. Today we have the managing director and the backbone of Albab group of companies. We are going to ask him how easy or difficult it was for Albab to serve the best in Middle East. Thank you so much for coming here.
Okay.
My question with you would be that last 10 years you are in this market. How difficult or easy it was for Albab?
We started the business from 2008. At that time, we have only for 2 employees. My father was started the business. Right now, we are having total 6 branches. Also, that multiple divisions also we are handling. More than 120 employees also we are having. Actually, that's my father was hand over the total business from 2011. At that time till now, I am handling this all Albab, all divisions I am handling. So we need to create that all division in one umbrella. Okay, Alhamdulillah, it's already we done.
Due to COVID, a lot of people have bear losses. So how do you see the market? How 2021 according to you is an opportunity?
Everywhere market is, I think, better than before Corona right now. So we are also ready to support all customers. Like if somebody want to open roster that like interior fit out and engineering consulting and business setup and all division, we are ready to support for them like EMI base. Like they can pay only for 50% of money, remaining 50% they can pay through by EMI.
So we have Madiha with us and she's going to tell us about the new business setup.
I mostly deal with the mainland licenses, which include truckies and DED. In order to start any license in mainland zone, you need 2 major things: a local sponsor and an office space. So mainly there are three main types of licenses. Number 1, commercial, which deal with the mostly trading activities. Then professional, which deal with the service activities. And then if you want to manufacture products, then industrial is the license which you have to obtain. Apart from the mainland licenses, there are free zone licenses, which my colleague will elaborate on.
So currently we are doing 15 plus free zones all over UAE, namely DSO, JAFSA, Truckies and so on. And the main advantage we can give our free zone license is that you don't need a sponsor. So we can assure you 100% ownership, and it is tax free transactions, and there is no restrictions over the currency also.
This was interesting to draw the comparison between 2 divisions. So this means when you hand over the license, your work starts there, Hafiz.
After getting your license done, it's about your activity. If you have a hypermarket, if you have a hospital, if you have a clinic, and if you have a school, and if you have tourism companies and the big hotels, 5 stars, 7 stars, and if you have a pub hub as well, you need to take approval from the government department, fit outs approval before any operations for your business. So we are providing fit out approvals as well, and the drawings approvals, and the all government departments approval, including Dubai Municipality, including Dubai Civil Defense, Ministry of Interior, for the clinic, Ministry of Health, and the engineering division, Tarakhis, Nakhil as well. After getting this approval done, the Dubai government allows to start the fit outs work, and after getting the fit outs work done, you need to come to us. We will provide you the final completion certificate to start your business.
So Hafiz, I have one more question for you, and this is the most important question. Why I, being a business owner who is new to the market, should come to Albab? What is the difference between Albab and the other service providers in the market?
There is a huge difference between us, Albab means Albab, and the other service provider. The other service provider just gives you the license, and they are telling like that, now it's go ahead. But in Albab, we peoples, our team, our consultants, our engineers knows how you have to survive in the market. The license is nothing. After getting the license, there is too many procedures. If you want to run your business, if you want to run your activity, you have to fulfill that one.
So, post approvals, the process for interiors begin. Am I right, Aisha?
Yes, of course. The interior fit out is one of the major quality services which we provide. Depending on the overall building completion and the nature of the service, there's a category which we follow, that is 3 types of forms, which is shell and core, category A and category B. So whichever you're looking for, we serve you according to that. And we are here for the best expert and for the best advice.
So, we have Azifa with us. She handles the PRO services and employment visas.
We have to give typing letters for people that don't have, companies that provide letters to them. So we do that for them. Then we're at the moment handling more than 7,500 companies where we're giving them support in business consultation. Apart from that, we also give them support in doing, getting labor approval, getting employment visas, everything included. So you don't have to run around. We're doing everything for you here, where we're not going to let you, as in we're not going to disappoint you for sure, but we're going to make sure that we get everything to you while you're sitting at home, basically.
So, Aishwarya, what do you do with this organization?
Currently, we are subleasing more than 400 offices every year, and we aim to provide fully equipped private offices, conference room facilities, business address, reception services, and a wide range of support services.
At heart, Albab is a network of people who are passionate about taking on immense challenges that matters to leading organization. This is a one-stop shop to cater to all your business requirements. When you walk into Albab, rest assured your company is in safe hands.